Fellow compatriots, we are all participating in a personal, national and global crisis that we've never experienced before. This is a threshold experience where we face a common threat and an unknown outcome, where we do not know how things will turn out. It is inevitable that this will bring up in many of us feelings of uncertainty, anxiety, fear, doubt, and of being out of control. We may pretend to be okay. We may tell ourselves everything will be fine. But deep down, there is a sense of unease, unrest, and disempowerment just below the surface. The question we must ask now is, how can we ensure that we stay calm, centered, and resolved to meet the challenge of an uncertain and unknown future? What can we do to find the strongest and most empowered part of ourselves as we struggle to cope with this our vulnerable side? How can we find in the darkest night of our souls the brightest star to lighten the way forward? I would like to share with you a skill set that I've used over many years in my medical and psychotherapeutic practice that has been highly effective in managing stressful situations of every kind in an empowered and empathic manner. So this is a demonstration of how this method works. I reflect on the stress I am facing. My business is shutting down. I'm facing the loss of income. I'm forced to stay at home for at least 21 days. Will I succumb to the virus? Will my loved ones get ill? I picture the situation. I feel into it. I allow my body to sense it. And then I express it physically and emotionally and hold this position for a few seconds. Then I let go and step physically away from this position. I observe the image that I've created, which is right here in front of me. And what do I see? I see an insecure, frightened part of me. It looks like a scared child. This is what lives inside of me, underneath the outer coping person. I ask, what does it need? It tells me it needs help, support, comfort and encouragement from someone calm, confident, strong and caring. I resolve to become this very person and to be actively calm and to care for this insecure and frightened person. I open myself to this picture, to this feeling of such a part within me. And I do what it takes to manage and care for the vulnerable part. And now I would like to invite all of you who wish to experience this empowerment to picture your most powerful, caring person. Feel it in your heart. Allow your body to become aware of this power right down into your belly. And then find a gesture, a physical shaping to express this power. And remember this and use this whenever you have need of it, to care for yourself. We have no choice but to accept what happens and to deal with things on a moment-to-moment basis, trusting in the ever-present power of hope, faith and love in our quest to create a new world and social order. I wish you strength in caring for yourself and for others.